Cumulus NetQ provides a fabric-wide BGP verification feature. By having up-to-date BGP control plane information and data plane forwarding information, along with the rest of every NetQ agent's comprehensive timestamped telemetry data, it is possible to go far beyond checking just the BGP process and in just the current moment. Checking BGP can be done in one of several ways. From the CLI, from any node running a NetQ agent, we can check the status fabric-wide with simply typing netq check BGP. In this output, we can see that we have two nodes that have failed BGP sessions, and they happen to be with each other. The failure reason is provided to get you started on remediation. As with all other netq commands, the around keyword can be used to run your check against past data that represents past states of the network. From the graphical interface, we can run the same check as an on-demand validation from a validation request card. From the results, we can open the BGP session card to view the sessions and BGP-related alarms more closely. Taking the BGP sessions card to full screen allows us to examine each of the BGP sessions more closely to reveal which sessions aren't established and the reason why.